This video is for how to work like a smartphone camera. How to work sensors, capture images and photos. Hello guys, I am Shaim and this channel is Tech Danger. So let's get started. First of all, how does your camera work? Open the camera app, click and photo. Simple, right? No, it's not a simple. So how does your work? What is behind the photo and how to click photo? I have the camera lens in my hand. Mostly mid-range sensing smartphone, that is one lens. This lens focus in your light, and a smartphone camera sensor is really small. Different normal camera and a smartphone camera. Like a smartphone camera, the sensor is relatively small. A smartphone camera is completely plastic. How to work like megapixels? Megapixel can only check where the light is more and where it is less. Does not provide any color information. To fix this thing, that is a color filter. Despite all this, the picture you took is a bit like this, shows that its color is pixelated. Work, image signal processor, and now photo processing. A smartphone gets the color and pixels, but why? Same photo, different smartphone, different colors, and of course different colors and photo. This is the reason why different smartphone, different colors, same subject. A smartphone, a small hardware. Every photo is artificially bright. Apply noise detection. Add to fake sharpness. Next, AI photo optimization. But how does your work? Like click your moon photos, replace your Google PNG. Many people have such phone like Google Pixels. Your face expression by detected using all camera. Click on photo and artificial intelligence generative AI help. Anything can remove. Anything's add. Photo reframing. Professional camera and a smartphone camera difference. Sensor size. A smartphone sensor size, let's try and understand. The smartphone largest and big sensor. Like a smartphone big sensor 1 inch 1/1.28 compared to other sensor, then a small 1/1.56 and then 1/1.65 and then optical image stabilization. That is seriously important. That is seriously different of a smartphone camera. Next, processor. But how to work? Processor work like photo processing and better photos. Next and last point, new video camera feature of Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Video lock stabilization. Like rotate of the phone and no rotate of video stabilization.